how to create a logo here. In every project, we will have multiple instances, test development, configuration, SIT, system integration, UAT, user acceptance test, pre-prod, before we deploy into production, pre-prod and prod. So different multiple instances we will have. We used to have a client logo here, and the small mark will be there, what instance it is, when it has been cloned from production. Now we'll see how to add a logo. Okay. For that, we should go to appearance navigation. We should have application administrator or IT security manager role. Usually it will be under configuration. Go to appearance. It will ask you to enter into sandbox. Sandbox is nothing but it's a best way of doing it and preview it before we publish, meaning we will not damage anything in the real instance. It will allow you to create, configure, develop, and test it and check it before we actually put it into use. Now click sandbox. I said it's appearance. It's a create a sandbox. Let me use the word demo. Click create and enter. It will get into sandbox mode. Yes. Now it has gone into sandbox mode. Now click demo. So click appearance. We are going to change only appearance, okay, the way it looks. Click edit mode. Here, here you can select the logo that you want. This is the logo I have used, Aura. That's what you can see it on the screen. This is what I just applied. Click apply. It will apply the changes. Since it is in a sandbox mode, we have to do it in a publishing it. It's in a demo stages because it's in a sandbox. What you have to do is we have to click the publish. It says that continue to publish sandbox. I say yes. To publish it. You see that the blue box, sorry, the yellow or the box color, the big stripe, yellow stripes. It shows that it is in a sandbox mode. So we have to do it. Now publish. It will ask you, are you really sure to publish it? Here. Then we have to do the exit. Yes, it's gone. Click done. So it is in a Oracle now. To ensure that, go and check it properly. So now we are in a Oracle. It was not there before. Now it is there. It is as simple as that. In a real time, you will use your own client logo here. That's how it is. Okay. See you in the next video.